So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to clean a Frigidaire gallery ice maker with the ice clean button. Step by step cycle guide. So step 1 is empty the drain. Unplug the machine, remove the ice basket and discard all existing ice. Open the drain plug at the bottom of empty the reservoir. Close the drain plug securely after emptying. Second step is add cleaning solution. Mix equal part of white vinegar and warm water. Pour the mixture into the water reservoir. Ensure not to exceed the full max fill line while pouring. Third fix is activate the clean cycle. Plug the machine back in, press and hold the clean button, may be integrated with the power button for 3 to 5 seconds until the cleaning indicator flash. The machine will circulate the vinegar mixture through the internal system for approximately 20 to 30 minutes. Fourth fix is drain the solution. Wait for the self-cleaning cycle to complete. Position a bucket or place in the unit near a sink. Remove the drain cap. Drain the dirty vinegar water from the unit. Fifth fix is rinse the system. Refill the reservoir with plain, clean water to remove vinegar residue. Run the self-cleaning cycle again. Drain the rinse water after the clean. Recommended to run a second rinse cycle with fresh water. Ensure ice does not have a strange taste. Sixth fix is wipe down component. Remove the ice bin, water filter piece and silicone drain plug. Wash the removed part in warm soapy water. Wipe the interior of the machine with a soft damp cloth and mild soap. Dry the interior roughly. Reassemble all components after cleaning. Thanks for watching.